Okay, welcome back. And in the previous video, I have given the statement, the theorem on substitution method, which says if at all the function is ready to integrate, integration of f of x is equal to pi of x plus c, then this function composite, over linear, is also ready to integrate, and the result we already discussed is pi of ax plus b whole divided by a, or even I can say it is pi of ax plus b whole divided by its differentiation of that linear plus c. Now second result, okay, based on this I gave the list of formulas also to add there, and today we'll move on for the next statement. If at all the function is ready to integrate, okay, then function over composite not over linear. Apart from linear, I may have x cube, I may have any other polynomial. Got it? X cube, x raised to 5 and so on. Then only this function is given, it's not ready to integrate into the whole data andre x raised to n minus 1. The derivative kuda available irbeku. Then and only then this situation is ready for substitution. This term kodlebeku, kodlilla andre it is not ready for substitution. Some other method we have to try. So right now situation is the function which is ready to integrate sine, cos, secant square, cosecant square, sec x into tan x, cosec x into cot x, e raised to x, a raised to x, over one more apart from linear, one more. So these all function can be taken as substitution, and what best we can go for it, how best we can go for substitution andaga, the substitution method says that put x raised to n is equal to t only. Substitution will give you an idea. Here put x raised to n is equal to t only. So let's go for proof of this. And the previous video had discussed the proof of this, and a few numerical sums also we had done it. So you have to remember the condition and the situation also. So let's move on for the proof part. So here we find the proof part. LHS I taken here. That's integration of f of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. This term has to be given. Then and only then the whole situation what we find here is ready for substitution method. Okay. So proof part says put x raised to n is equal to t. Differentiation, I should say differentiation of x raised to n with respect to x I had done here. So differentiation of x raised to n, it is n into x raised to n minus 1 is equal to, it is dt by dx. So dx has to be balanced, as well as I find x raised to n minus 1 with respect to x, the whole this part, because this will be claimed for substitution, put x raised to n is equal to t. This term is substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ left out these term x, everything has to be replaced by new term called t. So that means here I can say x raised to n minus 1 with respect to x, n transferred, I find it's 1 by n with respect to t, dt. So the whole term, this can be claimed here, this can be taken back in LHS. And let's see what happens to I. LHS becomes, that is integration of f of x raised to n is t now. X raised to n minus 1 with respect to x has been replaced by 1 by n dt, which I taken here, 1 by n dt. Now this situation is nothing but I should say 1 by n is constant. We are left out with integration of f of t with respect to t. It is same as the theorem statements. At the beginning only we know it very well. It is given for us. It is given for us. Integration of f of x with respect to x go to pi of x plus c. It is ready to integrate. The same irrespective of variable I taken here. So integration of f of t is possible. And let's have the answer as pi of t plus c. 1 by n constant kept outside only. But t need not to be kept as it is. It can be replaced back. And this one more step I can add it here. It is 1 by n. Pi of x raised to n, t andre x raised to n, replace it back, okay, plus c. So this should be the RHS. So first example I taken here to fulfill the given requirement, okay. So here I find integration of sine of x raised to 5. See, integration of sine of x raised to 5 andaga istane kotre ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. It is not ready for substitution, but they say into x raised to 4. Andre idu derivative. What is differentiation of x raised to 5? 5x raised to 4. What is differentiation of x raised to 5? 5x raised to 4. 5 constant is there. Constant term can be very well balanced in the case of integration. But left out part just see. So in the derivative x raised to 4, phi constant we can manage, but derivative x raised to 4 is available. So this question can be taken for substitution method. Methods are very important here. Shortly I'll go for partial fraction and so on. So but right now this situation what we have right now we are seeing is ready for substitution. So hage substitution ge anta neevu ankondre yavadana put ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Should I say sin of x raised to 5 is equal to t? Should I say x raised to 4 is equal to t? Can I say x raised to 5 is equal to t? Can I say the whole term is equal to t? There are so many options right now, around 3 to 4 options. So the proper judgment you have to take here, and this question can be normally is given as x raised to 4 into sin x raised to 5. This derivative is available here. This derivative is available here. So only thing substitution ಒಳಗೆ derivative ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದು derivative ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ and ಯಾವುದು derivative ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು substitution ಗೆ put ಅಂತ claim ಮಾಡೋದು. So let's go for this, and as I told you earlier also, straight away you will not be writing the answer, you have to claim it here. These all steps to be done from your side. Okay. So we have integration of x raised to 4 into sin x raised to 5, and our judgment says that put x raised to 5, but x raised to 5 ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sin of x raised to 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can put, but ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ I is again not ready to integrate. You will be stuck here. So don't say sin of x raised to 5. Judgment ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So I taken put x raised to 5 is equal to t, and differentiation 5x raised to 4 is equal to dt by dx. I am apart from this, I am in need of x raised to 4 into dx. So x raised to 4 with respect to x has been balanced here in substitution part as phi transfer. We find 1 by 5 times of dt. So I is equal to, I should say it is 1 by 5 into, this is sin t with respect to t. So we are left out with I is equal to 1 by 5 integration of sin t with respect to t. So I find 1 by 5 integration of sin t is ready to integrate. Okay. We find the answer minus cos t plus c. T to be replaced back. I should say the conclusion overall minus 1 by 5 cos of t replaced. We have x raised to 5 plus c should be the answer. In a direct ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ steps to follow ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿತೀರಾ. And my previous video also I gave you an idea. See the first result which I gave you. This result which I gave you. There are two results. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You have to say put every time and go for all the steps to be which has to be shortly I discussed here. So whereas this result straight away can use it, and in the list of formulas also I had asked you to add them. So ಈ ತರ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 5x plus 3 e raised to 5x plus 3 e raised to 5x plus 3 divided by 5 plus c. 1 mark questions ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. But in my ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ compulsory you have to say put and then conclude the answer. So one example I have done it here. A few more example. Let's have a glance. Okay, I think no, I had taken theorem 2. Shortly I'll go for a few more numerical sums. The second theorem is, see, f of x raised to n ಅಲ್ಲ, it is f of x raised to n. ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. f of x derivative is f dash of x. ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. Whereas ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು x square. Then this is ready to integrate. Okay. But ಇದೇ sin x cube ಅನ್ನ if I'll say it is sin cube x, then it is integration of sin x whole cube. Then sin x derivative I want cos x. Then this has to be taken for substitution. Here this has to be taken for substitution. I hope you can make a judgment here. Isn't it? So sin cube x andaga, the situation what I find here is sin cube x cos cube x. Okay, secant square is already available. Secant square raised to 6. But secant square derivative should be available here. 2 sec x into tan x and so on. So I was here we are left out with the function raised to n into f dash of x. So here we have the result. Okay, finally what should be the answer here? This will be taken for substitution, and theorem says that the answer is going to be f of x raised to n plus 1 whole divided by n plus 1. Derivative over this is available here. This will be taken for integration. We have f of x raised to n plus 1. Denominator we have n plus 1 plus c. Of course, the condition applies. N should not be equal to minus 1. If n is equal to minus 1, what happens? If n is equal to minus 1, the function will be 1 upon f of x. That's why we have a special case if it is n is equal to minus 1. This case. Then the second result says numerator should be f dash of x. Numerator is derivative of denominator. Then if this is the case, then you have to go for put denominator is equal to t. Even questions in a situation and based on this I have taken the proof part here. Now, okay, let me make it very clear. These two theorems, theory part will not be asked. Only numerical sums you are going to expect. Numerical sums on integration. But numerical terms in artha madkobeku andre ಏನು put ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ definitely theorem will give you the situation. These are the only situation where substitution can be claimed. Are you getting it? So situation create ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು situation ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Theorems are giving you just an idea. So proper ಆಗಿ absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Statements na absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then you'll get an idea that what I need to put. So maximum derivative they are highlighting in the theorem. This derivative is here, say this is t. This derivative is here, say this is t. Okay. By practice it is possible. Let's move on for the proof part here. These all terms you're going to copy it in your notes. So I should say I is equal to, we find f of x raised to n into f dash of x. Put this f of x is equal to t. Okay. So we are left out with f dash of x is equal to dt by dx. I would like to replace this term. So I find here f dash of x with respect to x can be easily replaced by dt. So idnu kuda replace ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. And even this I am going to replace it here. So what we are left with the LHS part here. I is equal to, we are left with integration of f of x is t raised to n. F dash of x with respect to x is replaced by a new term, new variable dt. So we are left out with integration of t raised to 1 with respect to t, and this we know it variable, it is ready to integrate. What's the answer? I should say it is x raised to n with respect to x. We had done it because the formula is available. Integration of x raised to n with respect to x, it's available to us. We have x raised to n plus 1, denominator n plus 1 plus c. Condition applies, n is not equal to minus 1, which already we accepted in the statement only. Okay. So ready to integrate, and this can be taken as t raised to n plus 1, denominator n plus 1 plus c. But t to be replaced, and we are left out with f of x raised to n plus 1, denominator n plus 1 plus c is the RHS. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಏನು substitution ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದು situation ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and followed by what we have replaced. This part you have to remember. Now, one example I have taken based on this.